I've got a Renault Scenic dynamic here, so I've got a problem with the washer, the screen washer, and back washer wasn't working before, and my MOT is coming up, so I ordered a new motor from eBay, and it's not this one, but it looks like that. That's the old one. I just opened it up and well, it's the other one, and I cleaned it out, and I was surprised it didn't work. I bought from eBay, but it's all rusted up and water inside, so I cleaned it up, used the multimeter, tested it. See, the resistance was 3.0, now it's 1.5. With some carb cleaner, electrical contact cleaner, and the carb cleaner that will do the trick. It'll take the carbon off the motor. This is the older one. This has the same problem. I opened it up and the motor was dirty and everything, but it's registered as 1.8 and resistance. Anyway, it's really easy to access the motor, but of course you can't really access it from here because your hands won't fit. But it's right there. There it is. Easy. You put your hand in, pull it out, take the wire off. There it is. Easy to access, easy to see it, and then just put the new one on, I'll fill it up, test it out, straighten out the jets on there, and it'll be fine. Thank you for watching, bye.